Let's check the news from AWS. AWS AppSync Events has introduced publishing over WebSocket connections, enabling developers to create secure and performant real-time APIs for publish-subscribe communication. This enhancement allows applications to both publish and subscribe to events using a single WebSocket connection, streamlining the implementation of real-time features in collaborative applications such as chat systems, multiplayer games, and shared document editing. Amazon S3 reduces pricing for S3 object tagging by 35%. As a result, the new pricing is $0.0065 per 10,000 tags per month. This reduction applies to all AWS regions, including the AWS China and AWS GovCloud regions. The new pricing takes effect automatically in the monthly billing cycle starting on March 1, 2025. Amazon Bedrock is now available in the Europe and Europe regions. This fully managed service offers customers a choice of high-performing large language models from leading AI companies like AI21 Labs, Anthropic, Cohere, Meta, Mistral AI, Stability AI, as well as Amazon via a single API. Amazon Bedrock provides a broad set of capabilities that enable customers to build generative AI applications with security, privacy, and responsible AI built in. This allows organizations to unlock sustained growth from generative AI while ensuring customer trust and data governance. To get started with Amazon Bedrock, customers can visit the Amazon Bedrock page for more information and access to detailed documentation. Amazon Route 53 Traffic Flow introduces a new visual editor to improve DNS policy editing by providing an enhanced user interface for creating and maintaining DNS records in large and complex configurations. This interactive DNS policy management flow chart simplifies the process of crafting DNS routing policies for multiple endpoints and routing methods. The new visual editor features a clearer configuration sidebar, allowing users to easily navigate and edit their policies. Additionally, the introduction of an undo/redo button enables users to experiment with different scenarios without worrying about making permanent changes. Furthermore, the new JSON editor provides syntax highlighting, enabling users to write and modify JavaScript object notation files within their browser. The editor also includes a dark mode theme, helping users identify where policy edits should be made. The improved visual editor is available globally, excluding AWS GovCloud and Amazon Web Services in China. Notably, the enhancements come at no additional cost to users, making it easier for them to manage their DNS traffic policies effectively. To learn more about how to use traffic flow, users can visit the documentation or read this blog post. Amazon S3 Tables integration with SageMaker Lakehouse is now generally available, enabling seamless querying and joining of data across S3 tables, Amazon Redshift data warehouses, third-party data sources, and S3 data lakes. This integration delivers the first cloud object store with built-in Apache Iceberg support, allowing for secure and centralized management of data in place. Amazon RDS for MySQL announces extended support minor version 5.7.44, RDS.20250213, which provides a solution to fix known security vulnerabilities and bugs in prior versions of MySQL. The new minor version is recommended to upgrade from prior versions to ensure the security and stability of your database instances. Amazon EC2 i8G.48's large instances are now generally available in the US East and US West regions, providing customers with a new larger size option to support their compute-intensive workloads. These instances offer up to 192 vCPUs, making them an ideal choice for scaling existing workloads or running larger-sized applications that require additional CPU and memory resources. Powered by AWS Graviton4 processors, i8G.48's large instances deliver up to 60% better compute performance compared to previous generation i4G instances. The instances also utilize the latest third-generation AWS Nitro SSDs, providing local NVMe storage with up to 65% better real-time storage performance per TB, while offering up to 50% lower storage I/O latency and up to 60% lower storage I/O latency variability. Built on the AWS Nitro system, these instances offload CPU virtualization, storage, and networking functions to dedicated hardware and software, enhancing the performance and security of customer workloads. Amazon GuardDuty malware protection for S3 is now available in AWS GovCloud regions, enabling customers to scan newly uploaded objects to Amazon S3 buckets for potential malware, viruses, and other suspicious uploads. This feature allows application owners to take action to isolate these objects before they are ingested into downstream processes. The fully managed service alleviates the operational complexity and overhead that normally comes with managing a data scanning pipeline, as AWS operates compute infrastructure on behalf of customers. Additionally, this feature gives application owners more control over the security of their organization's S3 buckets, enabling them to enable GuardDuty malware protection for S3 even if core GuardDuty is not enabled in the account. Application owners are automatically notified of scan results using Amazon EventBridge, allowing them to build downstream workflows, such as isolating objects to a quarantine bucket or defining bucket policies using tags that prevent users or applications from accessing certain objects. AWS Backup has added support for Amazon FSx for OpenZFS in 13 additional AWS regions, including Africa, Israel, Middle East, and US West. This expansion enables customers to protect their Amazon FSx for OpenZFS backups in these regions, helping to improve business continuity, disaster recovery, and compliance requirements. AWS Service Reference Information now supports resources and condition keys, providing a more comprehensive view of service permissions. This feature streamlines automation of policy management workflows by allowing for the retrieval of available actions across AWS services from machine-readable files. This enhancement enables security administrators to establish guardrails for workloads and developers to ensure appropriate access to applications. With this new capability, users can identify the available actions, resources, and condition keys for each AWS service, streamlining their policy management processes. By automating the retrieval of service reference information, users can eliminate manual effort and ensure that their policies align with the latest service updates. Additionally, this feature allows for seamless integration into existing policy management tools and processes, further simplifying the process. Amazon S3 tables now offer table management APIs that are compatible with the Apache Iceberg REST catalog standard. These APIs enable any Iceberg-compatible application to create, update, list, and delete tables in an S3 table bucket. The new table management APIs map directly to S3 tables operations, making it easier for users to get started with S3 tables if they have a custom catalog implementation or need only basic read and write access to tabular data in a single S3 table bucket. Amazon S3 Tables now supports create and query table operations directly from the S3 console using Amazon Athena. This feature enables users to create a table, populate it with data, and query it with just a few steps in the S3 console. To get started, you can enable S3 Tables integration with Amazon Athena, which allows you to automatically discover and access your S3 Tables data. Then, select a table bucket and choose Create Table with Athena, or select an existing table and choose Query Table with Athena. With this support, you can store tabular data at scale in S3 Tables, which is the first cloud object store with built-in Apache Iceberg support. You can access S3 Tables with AWS Analytics Services through SageMaker Lakehouse integration, as well as Apache Iceberg-compatible open-source engines like Apache Spark and Apache Flink. This feature is available in all AWS regions where S3 Tables are available. AWS Amplify Hosting announces deployment SKU protection support. AWS Amplify Hosting is excited to offer SKU protection, a powerful feature that guarantees version consistency across your deployments. This feature ensures front-end requests are always routed to the correct server backend version, eliminating version SKU and making deployments more reliable. This feature can be enabled at the branch level in the Amplify console under App Settings Branch Settings. Amazon QuickSight is now available in the Europe region, offering a fast, scalable, and fully managed business intelligence service that enables users to easily create and publish interactive dashboards across their organization. This means that users can author dashboards on any modern web browser without the need for clients to install or manage, allowing them to share these dashboards with thousands of users without having to provision or manage any infrastructure. AWS Backup has added logically air-gapped vault support for Amazon FSx, allowing secure sharing of backups across accounts and organizations. This feature supports direct restore to reduce recovery time from a data loss event. Logically air-gapped vaults store immutable backup copies that are locked by default and isolated with encryption using AWS-owned keys. With this new feature, you can protect your Amazon FSx file system in logically air-gapped vaults within the same account or across other accounts and regions. This support reduces the risk of downtime, ensures business continuity, and meets compliance and disaster recovery requirements. You can get started by specifying a logically air-gapped vault as a copy destination in your backup plan using the AWS Backup Console, API, or CLI. Once shared with other accounts using AWS Resource Access Manager, you can initiate direct restore jobs from that account, eliminating the overhead of copying backups first. This new feature is available in all regions where logically air-gapped vault and respective Amazon FSx file systems are supported. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more and hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and, if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.